And one of the goals for the BRICS countries in this summit is to create what's called a development bank. It's a way for developing nations to complement the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund with their own funding. CCTV's Paulo Cabral has more now from Fortaleza.
For almost 7 decades, the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank have been key to world financial stability and to funding infrastructure projects. They also play a role in international politics. The United States is by far the largest shareholder in both institutions, ahead of the 5 BRICS countries put together. Over the last few years, China has increased significantly its shares in the World Bank, and to a lesser degree, the other BRICS nations have done the same. Observers hope the leaders at the summit in Fortaleza will be able to announce the creation of their own development bank.
This is a strong alliance that certainly has a lot of weight in the world. Brazil's partnership with China is very important, not only in terms of trade, but also regarding investments and strategic alliances.
International summits always have a strong political element, of course, but in the case of the BRIC countries, commerce is at least just as important. United, these nations want to gain more prominence in world trade and also do more business among themselves.
The former chairman of Brazil's National Development Bank believes that trade and investment are the best ways to create connections among the BRICS countries.
The economic linkage is easier to build up than the political or the social linkage. My feeling is that of course, it's okay to have a BRICS meeting in Brazil among the BRICS. It's okay, but the main agenda will be the economic agenda.
But do you think that creating then a development bank for the BRICS countries would help in this process?
Yes, because a development bank is responded the economic demand for linkage.
Trade among the BRICS countries has already increased nearly tenfold in a decade, up from $27 billion in 2002 to more than $270 billion in 2012. With a new bank, these nations hope to develop connections which could alter the global financial landscape. Paulo Cabral, CCTV, Fortaleza.